friends, today I will share with you how to work on Classroom Live. If you are struggling with it, then please follow these steps. First, you have to download Classroom Live. Open Classroom Live. Enter your school ID given by your respective teacher. After that, click on Send OTP. Then verify your school OTP. After that, you will see this page. But here, there is no join button or link. That means you have not joined in the correct time. So here, you can see that I have a class at 12:45. You can also see the join button. If the teacher joins, then only you will be able to join. Thanks for watching.